Hey everybody, I got a new puzzle I'm doing, and I have to do it within 5 minutes. This is my challenge. Ready to join in? Let's start. Okay, I'm opening the puzzle packet. Now I'm doing it within 5 minutes. Okay, I'll start now. Right now. Okay. Okay, now I made a pizza already. Now I just do one. Okay. So just maybe this goes here. No. Okay. No. So like smooth. No. Just have to find some of these pieces. Whoa, I found some. Okay, it's going good so far. Okay. To get this piece, and this, maybe this piece. Let's try. No. I think this belongs. This. No, it belongs. So yes, it does. This goes here. Whoa, I made a lot of pieces. Now this goes here. It's under. It's here. This maybe. No, like this. Like this. It's here. And then maybe this goes here. No. There. I'm close to finishing the fire. Okay. So this here. It goes here. And well, timer's going to finish. This goes here, maybe. I have to hurry. So will this go with? No. Yes. Come on, I have to hurry. The timer's going to end soon. Oh, come on, I have to hurry. Here you go. This goes here. This goes here. This is here. And this goes here. Whoa. There, I made a lot. Okay, so now this goes here. 7 in a row. Now this might go here, here, maybe, and there. I finished a lot of the outside. Good job. Now I have to hurry up. So I think this goes here. Yep, it does. Now this goes here. Now right here. And here, the paper ones. No, not this. This has to go to me. Here. Now I have to. Where does this go? Now this goes right here. Okay. To hurry. Okay. So okay, and this goes here. Yes, I can. Could this go here? No. And could this go here or here or here? And I think it's here like this. And like right there. No, not here. Yes, this goes here. Now I have this one. Now this one. Make sure I don't have any missing pieces. I'm almost done. Now this one. No. No, this one. This one, yes. This one, no. This one, no. This goes here, yes. Suppose. Now where does this go? This might go here. This goes here. This goes here. I'm almost done, thanks to myself. And where does this go? This will. No, it doesn't. No, maybe I'll go here. No. It goes here, yes. This goes here. This goes here. And this might go like this. Nope. Almost done. And this goes here. Hey, look. I finished the puzzle. I did it. Hey guys, I did it already. You wanna see? Then come. So there's a dog and there's sofa and the dog is taking rest. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.